Can you show me your dance moves? Do you think you can spin?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lovely spin. Those are some good dance moves, Alice. Yay! Don't go over near that brown stuff, okay? You can stay on the mat or on the floor. Okay, can you do a couple more spins on the floor?
And then we can go in another room.
Yeah, then we'll try out another room. All right, take a bow.